weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, we're starting out another dry day across southern Kentucky, but we have noticed a few more high clouds, evidence of some mid and high level moisture trying to work in with a few clouds and some showers off to the north and west of our area. In fact, as we look at First Alert live Doppler radar, we've watched those showers off to the north and west of our area. Unfortunately, a lot of these are beginning to fall apart, and as they hit the little bit more stable air that's over southern Kentucky, these probably won't hold together for much longer. So if anything does happen in our viewing area, which is down here off to the southeast, then we may see an isolated shower or two around the Madisonville area, maybe over toward Ohio County or Grayson County. But beyond that, we're really not calling for much of anything around Mount Vernon, up and down Interstate 57, and as it crosses 64 into the Evansville area, that's where they're seeing some shower activity right now. But it's all very light and falling apart because of the ridge of high pressure that is over our area today. Now, as we take a look at temperatures, we're seeing with the clouds some mid-70s, like 75 up in E-Town. They're seeing a mostly cloudy sky. Same for Calhoun up in McLean County. And then we're seeing the sunshine. Temperatures are more into the middle 80s, and we're starting to feel a little bit more humidity out there as well. Over the next few days, 90 the average. Looks like we'll get close to 91. Of course, clouds will have a lot to do with where we end up today. That was our high temperature yesterday. Looks like we may hit that again tomorrow before the cold front starts to have an effect on our weather, and then we start to see rain chances, and that's going to bring down the temperatures into the middle 80s with a few more clouds and showers as we go through the rest of the work week and into the weekend. And we've had some cloud cover here, mainly sunny, but live shot here from Doppler cam showing just a few high clouds and that haze that continues to kind of surround the campus of Western Kentucky University and really all around the area. 84 right now, feels like 85 with a light south wind at 5 miles per hour. And that dew point has now come up into the low 60s, so that means we're going to start to feel moderately muggy as we go through time here, more so tomorrow than today. And here you see some of those high clouds now moving across Edmonton and Metcalfe County. They're at 80 degrees. Glasgow is at 80 with a few of those high clouds at the moment. They're in Barron County. Franklin seeing the same thing with a temperature of 84. Munfordville seeing some high clouds, temperature at 80 degrees. And Litchfield, yeah, you're seeing those same high clouds and your temperature at 79 from the Mesonet site there in Grayson County. There's your fresh update. 86 now at the Bowling Green Airport. So with the sunshine, we're certainly going to get that 90-degree mark, maybe even 91 before the day is over. Look at the cooler temperatures north of us. Indianapolis running 6 degrees cooler than yesterday, but they've had some shower activity and cloud cover there, while we're 3 degrees warmer at midday than we were yesterday. And here are those clouds on the satellite view kind of spreading out now as we hit the more stable air. So these clouds kind of falling apart, and certainly any rain shower activity is falling apart as it hits that ridge of high pressure. Any of these showers either falling apart or heading south, kind of away from our area. And that's because with this ridge of high pressure, it still has an effect all the way back to the west and northwest of us. It won't be until this front gets a little bit closer to us, and that will happen tomorrow, as these little impulses or disturbances right along that front, a little better chance of us getting a scattered shower or thunderstorm, especially tomorrow afternoon, and more so to the north and east of our area. But as those impulses continue to ride along that front and the front stalls, we'll see a better chance of showers as we get into Thursday and Friday. That's going to be our 2 best days to get some rain here in southern Kentucky. As we mentioned earlier this morning, what was Hurricane Bertha now back to a tropical storm. It continues to weaken, but it's just going to move out to sea, and it's not going to really harm anyone anywhere close to the mainland. Mostly sunny, hot, humid, near 91 this afternoon, 68 and partly cloudy tonight. Better chance of showers tomorrow afternoon at 30%. Then it goes to 50% Thursday and Friday, and then 40% Saturday, 30% for Sunday and Monday. And we're going to leave those scattered showers in there with highs in the middle 80s as folks get ready for the world's longest yard sale this weekend. We are back with more Midday in just a minute.